Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to give you an in-depth review of the iRide 2 by Pride Mobility. It's model number S25 and it just came out November 2022. It's their newest product and I'm very excited to go over it with you and share my thoughts on it. Now before we get started, I just want to mention two quick things. Number one, if you want a copy of this brand new product catalog, this product's in it, all you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and one will be in your mailbox within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to say that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're automatically going to get entered into our giveaway raffle. We give away a free powered mobility product once a month to one lucky random subscriber. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And we're going to show you the last winner so that you know it's legit, and we'll be right back with you to start the video. All right, we're here. We're pulling up to the lucky winner's apartment building, and we're going to bring the scooter up to her door, and we're going to get the reaction on video. I'm pretty excited. This is awesome. I mean, we're giving away a mobility scooter to someone that truly needs it. So stay tuned. We're going to go up the elevator. It's on the 3rd floor, and we're going to present this custom scooter to the winner.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, thank you.
You like the scooter?
Oh, that's for me. But who's?
We're giving this.
I was going to say, you look like you can run a marathon. You don't need a scooter.
No.
We're actually giving this one to one of the residents here on the 3rd floor. Might be your neighbor.
Yeah.
Yeah, they entered into a giveaway raffle and they won. That's why we're getting it on camera.
So badly. Oh
Yep.
my gosh! I'm so happy for you.
Hello.
It's
The
good
new
to meet you.
scooter.
Here.
This is the new.
Hi, Justin.
Oh, God bless you. You won.
All right, so we're here with Gloria, and she's got her scooter that we're donating, and all she did was subscribe to our YouTube channel about a year ago. At least.
I said it's a godsend that I got this. It's a miracle, really. I needed it desperately.
Well, it's something we're really happy to be able to do, Gloria.
Thank you.
And we really appreciate those kind words. And it's pretty easy. All you have to do is subscribe. This is what we're doing here every 6 months. So if you know somebody else that could use one, please tell them about it. Welcome back. Good luck if you subscribed. Hopefully you're the next lucky winner. So again, here we have the iRide 2 by Pride Mobility. That's the iRide 1. We have a comparison video to show you the difference between the two, but they're basically almost identical with a few features that I think are very impressive. And I'm going to share those features with you. Number one, it's got a full backrest, a bigger seat that's more comfortable, which is a huge improvement. The previous version barely had a backrest. It also has a top speed of 5.8 miles per hour, which is a drastic improvement compared to the old version. Has a reverse feature as well, so you can actually go backwards now, which is pretty nice. And it has 3 different speed modes instead of 2. But other than that, it's pretty much the same scooter. It's not really meant for going off-road. This is more of a scooter that's meant for indoor use, flat, hard surfaces. That's really what you want to stick to. But when you're ready to take it apart, I'm going to show you. All you have to do is, on the bottom here, there's like a bicycle-style clamp. So I'm going to unclamp it. And then there's a nut on the other side, just like a bicycle seat that I'm rotating counterclockwise. Once it's loose enough, you can just remove the seat completely. The seat is height adjustable. You have another little hole there that you can put a pin through and it'll lock in a little bit higher by about 1 inch. It's got a seat to ground height range of about 19 to 20 inches. It's not really meant for super tall folks. Weight capacity is 250 pounds. So really you have to take that into consideration, and you can call our non-commissioned sales experts if this is not the right weight capacity for you. We have plenty of other lightweight models like it. But once the seat is removed, it has the very traditional and famous tilt adjustment knob here that you can use to not only adjust the tilt angle of the handlebars to bring them closer to you or further away, but you can also collapse it all the way down. So when you're ready to put this in the trunk of the car, you'll lower it all the way down like this, and it can fit pretty much in the trunk of even a small Volkswagen Beetle. And there you have it. So at this point, it's pretty much ready to be transported. You can also remove the battery. With the battery removed and the seat removed, this base weighs 32 pounds. Now, if you keep the seat on it and you have the battery removed, it's going to weigh 42 pounds. Fully assembled, it's 46.5 pounds. It only has a 1.3 inch ground clearance, which means it's not going to really do too well on grass. There's not a lot of space between the floor and the motor down here. But again, it's made for indoor use, not really for off-roading. So that's pretty much it as far as demonstrating how you take it apart, put it back together. It does have an option for a front basket, so you can attach a front basket like the ones you see here and carry some belongings, but unfortunately, one of the drawbacks is it doesn't have the rear hitch receiver to install a cage-style basket like the ones you see here. So you really don't have a ton of options unless you get like a little travel bag that you attach to the back of the seat. It doesn't really accept any of these rear cage-style baskets. Now, to turn the unit on, there's a couple things you have to do. There is a power switch on the battery. It's in the off position now, and I'm just going to connect the power cable to it, which sends signal to the controller. Once that's connected, you want to make sure it's Velcroed in, and then turn that power switch on. Now we're going to move up to the dash here, and you can see, unlike the first version, there's actually a power switch here. We're going to zoom in to show you how this dash works. There's a thumb paddle here to control the throttle. And when you're ready to turn it on, you hold that middle button there. And that same button, once it's on, is going to allow you to toggle between different modes. So you can see the mileage, you can see the speed, the mileage. It's got an odometer for trip settings, and you could toggle between those modes there. You can also hold this bottom button, and it's going to illuminate the display, which is pretty nice. And it does have 3 different speed modes with a top mile per hour of 5.8. And if you go down past speed mode 1, you're going to see an R, which is for reverse. That's a new feature. It does have a manual hand brake for the rear brakes, so you do have to have some hand strength to work that. And if you hold the brake in and then depress that little button, it's going to lock it into place in case you want to park it on a hill. Squeeze the brake and it releases. You also notice on the front, it has manual pedals for the front brake. So when you're ready to stop and you're going fast, you can use the rear brake handle and your feet to stop with the front brakes at the same time. And that's pretty much it. There's not a lot to it. It is a front wheel drive scooter, which means it's not going to really handle well on the grass. Now I'm going to take you for a little ride, and we're going to kind of hold the camera first person view to show you how it works. We're just going to go out right in front of the store here and see how it works. All right, so I'm going to first off just adjust this handlebar, bring it in a little closer to me. This is going to be a little more comfortable for me. You can adjust that a little bit closer or further away depending on your comfort level and how you want it. Now I'm going to take the camera, and again, it has manual brakes. So as you can see, we're in speed 1. I'm going to go up to speed 3, and we're going to see how fast it goes. So I'm hitting 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, and it's topping out at about 5.8. There we go. Pretty nice. So I could stop with my front brakes. I'm just putting my feet down, and pretty comfy. Now I'm 210 pounds, 5'11", so it might be even better for you if you're a little bit shorter. It's not really designed for taller people, to be honest, but that's the type of honesty you can expect from our YouTube channel. We keep it transparent, and I think this is going to be great for someone who's a little bit shorter than 5'11", and if you're less than 210 pounds, you're probably going to get even better range out of it. Just being honest, the more weight you add on these scooters, the less travel range you get on a full charge. So we're going to take it back inside now. Just wanted to give you a little demo of how it works. First person view. Hope you're enjoying. All right, so we gave you a nice little in-depth review. There's not a lot to this scooter. It's very service friendly. You could see the brake cables run through the mid frame here. You've got the cable that goes up to the dash. So there's really only 2 cables, one for the dash, the other cable's for the brake, comes all the way through to the back. This panel comes right off, super easy with just a few screws. You can access the controller. As a former technician, I could tell you it's super service friendly. You're not going to break the bank. getting repairs done or getting replacement parts installed. Super easy to work on. And that's just another reason why I love this scooter. You've got several different color options to choose from. Make sure you go to our website, download a copy of the brochure, or get a copy of this magazine. It's in here. It shows you all the different options and all of our top selling scooters. So again, my name is Sergio with Mobility Direct. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section below. We respond to the questions in our comments all the time. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please, that'll help other people see this video. And again, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? You could win a free scooter. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next video. Have a great day, everybody. Until next time. Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or two max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comment section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.